going on, all you ghouls and ghosts out there? My name is Mike Macabre, and welcome to the graveyard. As always, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, comment, share the video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my reaction videos, Friday Night Frights, or whatever else I'm doing on this channel. But on tonight's episode, obviously we have another Friday Night Frights with the Beast Inside. Yes, indeed. Having an amazing time with this game so far. It's super fucking creepy. But yeah, in the last episode we had a stranger. I got transported with the journal. And lots of scares. Hi, clock. Can go downstairs, okay, but we don't got to do that right now.
Honey, you won't believe what I found. Hey, Emma? Can you hear me? Emma?
Hello?
I was calling you before, but you wouldn't even answer. Where have you been?
I was snooping around the attic. I found this
The power is out, by the way.
diary. What?
A fuse must have blown. Be a darling, go to the basement and fix it before it gets dark. This place needs a lot of work. The sooner we start, the better. I don't have to tell you that, do I?
Jeez, her attitude switched real fucking quick. Run for the hills! Run!
What's her problem? She sounded like I took a piss on a mother flower bed.
It's...
I need a flashlight. It's so damn dark in the basement. Maybe I can find one in the attic. There's a lot of junk in there.
more searching. A little bit easier than what I was expecting. Thought I heard something. Yeah, just beat it.
For God's sake.
That's the horse from the second episode.
This horse will haunt me in my dreams.
As it does in mine.
Where are the fuses?
Of cash. Box full of cash. Yeah, that's probably not right. That wasn't there. There's a key.
Strange, one's missing. Did someone take it out on purpose?
Search.
Maybe there's a spare fuse in the shed by the house.
The music, though, is just so intense. Just want to just check around here real quick, see what we got. There we go. Probably someplace I'm gonna have to get into.
Damn, there are no fuses here. Of course. What the f...
Lag City. I do apologize. Please hold. There we go, we got it.
What is this? Where did all the blood come from?
C for crouch. Yep.
Why would Emma bring my old stuff from the office here?
Quantum localizer. Like it makes fun of it. I trust that the author knew what he was writing about. Z allows an in-depth analysis of kinetic energy preserved in so-called quantum traces, enabling the user to identify silhouettes of people or other living organisms whose past presence in a given fragment of the space-time continuum has left behind detectable cluster of waves and particles, i.e. quantum clouds. Equipped with 2 ultra sensors, the device can detect both electromagnetic and quantum traces. Electromagnetic sensor, thanks to special built-in coil. This ultra-sensitive sensor, the localizer, can detect metal objects up to a dozen meters away with precision of 0.01 centimeters. Quantum sensor, an advanced, very sensitive particle sensor based on innovative technology. It can detect quantum traces left by living organisms. VLF display at the screen, enabling the user to create large clusters of quantum clouds. Impulse generator releases a strong impulse, which then can be picked up by the sensors, allows the user to locate metals and anomalies. Quantum scanner enables the user to stabilize quantum clouds and reveal any anomalies that may cause interference. And yada yada yada. So we're going to take that bad boy, I guess. Alright. Tab. Okay, apparently we can't...
Jesus! Emma, you scared the crap out of me. Okay, you can open the door. Emma? Honey?
Oops.
Oh. Something's not right. Maybe the localizer will show me just what's happened here. Wait, what did they say in training?
To equip, unequip, da.
Huh. If I remember correctly, this prototype device can be used to detect traces of a person's presence from the past. All I need is to be in a strong field of quantum particles, and with a little bit of luck and science, I'll be able to see a silhouette of the person who was here in a different time.
Alright. Find the quantum cloud local speed. The distance from the cloud is counted in percentages, and the green sign around indicate the direction. Okay. So this early direction.
I should follow the localizer. Green lines at the edge of the screen show the direction to go, and the numbers the distance to the nearby cloud. This is the place. Now I need to use the pulse to show the cloud, and I need to scan it. The signal must be coming from this place. Now I just have to use the scanner on this.
There you go. Use the device to scan cloud. Hold left mouse in the
Cloud.
Oh, I didn't even see that out here.
The localizer found something. Someone has been here. It looks like he left the rest of the clothes here. All covered in blood. I'll try to find more traces. It doesn't look good. I have to find out what happened here. The fuse is missing, some clothes are lying all covered in blood, and a trace of a person near the shed. It's all looking very strange. Maybe it's all about the stress. On the other hand, I have to be certain that we're safe. I should use the pulse to make the quantum cloud visible, otherwise I won't see a thing. I'm at the source, but I can't read anything. The interference is too strong. It must be caused by an anomaly nearby. I should neutralize it.
Alright, detecting anomalies. Due to their nature, clouds can be unstable, and their readability may be affected by anomalies. In this case, you have to destroy them all. Find the anomalies in the surrounding. You can make this easier by right mouse button.
There's the anomaly. Now I have to charge the localizer in.
Jesus Christ! Destroying anomalies. To destroy an anomaly, hit it with an EMP charge fired from your device, left mouse button. Yada, yada,
Hit
yada.
it with a beam. That should do it. Time to stabilize the cloud. I did it. Clearly someone was here recently and used this rope. I'll try to find more traces. The
This way.
localizer has detected a signal. That means another quantum cloud must be near. I can't go any further. Maybe I could use the grappling arm I saw. He must have went up from here.
The rope from the gazebo.
I'll try to find more traces.
Huh? Oh, totally missed. Huh? There we go.
So much blood and it's not even dry yet. Whatever happened here, it hasn't been long. The trail leads through that gate. I'll go check it out. Clearly dragged something heavy through that gate. Some planks are loose. I'll try to break them out.
Okay. I would have kept going.
The blood hasn't dried yet. I'll follow its trail. Maybe someone needs help.
That's a lot of blood.
Damn it! Closed. Just closed. It looks like something or someone is hanging in there. Is that...
Looks like a deer
Fuck! This
carcass.
thing scared the shit out of me. I'd better check what the localizer's detected before I go in.
I don't necessarily know if I'm going the right way or not, but... Okay. There we go. We got it.
Who is he? What did he hide here?
Anything that works there? Nope. Okay, not sure what I'm supposed to do. Gotta be something. Cut those ropes with. Perhaps. I'm stumped. Get it? Let me see if I can figure out how to get out of here, and then I'll bring you guys back. BRBs. All right, ghouls and ghosts. I figured it out. Look in here, and then there was this.
A hunting knife. Someone must have used it recently and tried to hide it there. I'll take it, just in case.
Now we can cut this little bad boy.
Time to go back to the barn. Maybe I can find a side entrance. I need to try to get inside.
Alright, so we gotta find a bolt cutter. Couldn't think of the name. Oh, okay. I was like, and let's go.
God, who could have done this? This wasn't just some poacher, more like a fucking sadistic hunter.
Oh, okay.
Wait,
Now,
that beeping. It's as if it's coming from the inside. The animal's hung up on a rope. Maybe I can get up there and cut it down.
yep, let's do it. Get over here. Is there a... Oh, well, I need these for sure. Box I can bring over. Okay, there we go.
I could use that crate to reach the ladder and climb up.
There we go. Looks like someone's already done it. Come on. I think that should be good. There we go. Yeah, it's so gross.
Oh, this is sick. I think I'm gonna puke.
Fuses? Interesting.
What's all this equipment? And why was it in...
Maybe not.
Fuck, what if the Soviets sent someone to follow us? Well, there's the fuse. So the fucker who gutted the animal has also been in our house, in our basement. If this isn't a threat, then I don't know what is. At least I've got the goddamn fuse. Time to go to the basement and turn the power back on. I don't like this.
Oh,
Someone's butchered a deer and the evidence suggests that sick fuck has been in our house. remember back in the day, some twisted kids in the area played with the occult, but I don't think this could have been them. Besides, the equipment that was inside it looked military grade. Clearly, the locals make new neighbors feel welcome. I just hope they don't mistake us for turkeys on Thanksgiving.
Oops. Or I forgot it's gonna be automatic, isn't it? Yep. My bad.
The power's back on, I guess. Interesting. Or maybe it's no big deal. Maybe I've just been reading too much Poe. Well, my job here is done. I better go back under Emma's thumb, considering her mood swing. And it's only the 3rd month. What's it going to be like by the 9th?
Oh, gee. Wow. Much shame.
Jesus, woman! You want me to have a heart attack?
Cool, huh? Wonder if some magician used to live here.
Sure, Harry fucking Houdini. Maybe he's never gotten out of that hat. Actually, where did you find it? Just read about one like this.
Upstairs. Now watch carefully.
If it's a rabbit, I want it for dinner and a stew.
Ta-da!
Clever. You think you can sugarcoat the work for me with magic? Where do we start?
A minigame painting.
Darling, do I really have to remind you what the doctor said?
You've done it plenty of times already, but really, I don't have to sit idle all the time.
Still, in your condition.
It's not critical. I'm just pregnant, remember? But fine.
Paint the wall. How did I guess?
If I can't help you, I'll pester you with questions. Have they called you from work yet?
No.
And did you give them our new number?
Honey, it's the government. They even know the angle you're tilting your head at.
Gives me the creeps.
Grr.
Ever thought about doing something other than, cryptanalysis? I mean, before you joined the CIA?
Like what?
Like, something that doesn't come with being responsible for millions of lives. Some job without all the spies, agents, and double agents lurking behind your back. Without the constant feeling that you can't trust anyone.
Not really. Besides, I can trust you, right?
I'm no painter, but I'm pretty sure you would ever have to dip the
What are you staring at?
paint the brush
Can you
or
move that
dip
piece
it in
of
the paint.
furniture? There's something behind it.
Uh-oh. There's that hat.
Oh, God. Now I regret putting that thing on my head.
I wonder who that guy was. Maybe if we hang this in the bedroom, you'll come to us in our dreams and tell us everything.
I'd hang you first.
Okay. Sorry, buddy, you're going to the basement. That's the proper place for gentlemen from the previous century.
Uh-oh. Dun dun dun.
Probably from the office.
Where the hell's the damn phone? Oh, it's right there, dear.
Hello?
It's David.
So, this is it, boss. This is the moment when you start to rush me and I start to sweat.
Well, I don't want to press you too much, but I haven't heard from you for a week now. So I thought, maybe he was killed by bears or wolves. I'd better call him. 'Cause you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, right?
Yeah, I'm stuck in every possible way.
You're not the only one. 3/4 of the team were assigned to work on the Russian woodpecker. And on top of that, Harold has vanished.
Harold? The one who intercepted the telegrams. What happened?
I don't know. Stress. He's been paranoid lately, seeing Soviets everywhere. Either he went nuts and did something stupid, or those Soviets did get him after all.
Hopefully not.
Fuck! On our soil?
Well, they could be anywhere. And I don't want to think he's playing both sides. To make it even worse, Bill and Mildred will shut down the project if we don't make a breakthrough in the next few weeks.
I've got the documents from Janice with me. I'll get down to work.
Good luck. And give my regards to your wife. I'll call you in a few days.
And there goes my vacation. The cipher machine is in the office. I've wasted enough time already.
Is this not the office? Come on. It's a nice little office. Kind of creepy, but nice nonetheless. Here's the cipher, right? Nope.
Jesus points at the gate of hell? I don't get it. I don't think I want to.
Can only imagine. Abraham Lincoln. Odd photo just to have on your desk, in my personal opinion.
Ah, still warm. Emma knows how to get me on my feet. So, how do I do it again? First,
Follow Enigma's
let's take a look at the
instructions.
manual.
Please follow the instructions below before activating
Open the
the
cover
device.
and place the cylinders. Easy.
To do that, follow these following steps. Open the cover, holding the hand on the right side. Place the cylinders marked with Roman numerals in the right slots. 2 position 1, 4 position 2, 5 position 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 position 4. Close the cover. Set the numbers in the window of the following positions from the left to the right. 2, 14, 6, 22. That is called the start position. Open the bottom drawer of the device. Plug in the wires in the drawer in the following configuration: A, F, G, Z, R, T. Close the bottom drawer. Run a test with the BP flop. After entering these letters, you should see a decoded message saying "Reading Friday." After completing the above steps, the message was decoded incorrectly. You'll need to recalibrate the device with step 1. Of course. Okay, so he said... I've already lost it. 2 to position 1.
For starters, I need to open the top cover. To get inside, I need to open the top cover. For starters, I need to open the top cover.
Where the hell is the top cover?
To get inside, I need to open the top cover. I need to take the right cylinders from the table. Luckily, they're numbered.
2
I
in
need to
position
remember that
1.
each cylinder goes into a specific position.
This one goes in the last. 4. goes into that one. And I think it's at 6.
I did something wrong. This isn't how it should be.
Okay, we'll go back real quick. We'll just go over here again. 2, 4, 5. Okay, it's 5. 2, 4, and 5. Oops.
Okay, the first part's done. Now it's time to set the cogs.
Cogs. 2, 14, 6, 22. 2. 14. 6, and 2. Right? 22, excuse me.
Piece of cake. Now for the last step, the wires at the bottom. Right, now I just have to plug that in using the right order.
Okay. AFG ZRT. AFG ZRT. A G Z AFG Z R
That's it. Now I just need to enter the password.
Friday.
I have to be careful. If I click the wrong letters, I'll have to reset the cogs. Okay, it works. I can get down to it. What's this? Looks like a message encrypted with an enigma. Maybe with the right combination I'll be able to decipher it. Now how do I set it up? A Roman 5, 3, ST. This must be a clue for the encrypted message. What does it mean, though? And how can I use it to set Enigma up?
Oops. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Maybe that person used my code table to encrypt the message. How can I guess which combination was used?
Ooh, this is making my head spin. XGT. Okay, I think what we gotta do is, whoops. So V would be 5. So we go over here to 5, okay. And then what was it? Oops, then it's O3 and then ST. So 5, 3. ST. That's what I'm confused about. 2145. Let's try that on the rotors. Two, 1, 4, 5. Okay. 2145. So 220820. Oh, 05. Okay, cables would be RWLJFD. I think we start with the ST. So
The solution is right in front of me, I know it. A Roman 5, 3, ST. Think, Adam, think. You've cracked way more complicated codes. The configuration must be in the table.
oops. Well, let's just go look again. ST. ST. RW. Maybe you have to just take the stuff. So it's RW. Okay, I've been trying to figure this out for like 2 hours now. I think I got it. These are all the correct ST, XO, GZ. You had to get them up here. So we got an X.
Not like that. I think that someone used one of the configurations from the code table. Something is wrong. Configuration, maybe? I should take a closer look at the table or password. Trust no one but yourself. Sounds ominous. Who wrote this anyway?
Took way too long to figure out.
Check combinations 29 and 30. Okay, here we go.
Code breaker.
Still nothing. Fuck.
Angry there for no reason.
This terrible crime shocked. Fuck. This looks like our house. The victim's throat was slashed. This is getting too fucked up. Seriously. God, how long has this been here? Is this blood or just rust? Is this what I think it is? More notes from Nicholas. It hurts, so I must be alive. Damn it, I almost broke.
That sounds really, really fucking creepy. Which I'm sure they're gonna uh, reiterate that in the beginning of the chapter again. If it'll ever load. There we go. We're back in the
What
creepy
is he
house.
doing in our house? Is he the one responsible for my father's disappearance? What if they're in the basement? No. I'd rather not think of whose blood that was.
Alright, we're gonna do that in the next episode. Oh, cliffhanger, kind of. Alright, I think that's going to be it for this episode of Friday Night Frights with the Beast Inside. As always, if you like what you saw, like, subscribe, comment, share the video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my reaction videos, Friday Night Frights, or whatever else I'm doing on this channel. But as always, ghouls and ghosts, stay scared.